Want to forward YouTube videos to your Telegram groups and channels? Here's how to set it up in under a minute. No code required. First, copy the URL of any YouTube channel, playlist, or search query. Then, open RSS.app and paste that URL into the generator. Save it to your feeds. Then, click the Telegram icon and log in to your Telegram account. You can choose Only Me to get YouTube videos as DMs from our bot, or add the bot News Alerts RSS to any group or channel. Once added, the group or channel will appear in the dropdown. Select it and click Save. RSS app will automatically forward the latest 3 posts to test the connection. From now on, every new post will be sent to Telegram the moment it's added to your feed. You can also send older posts manually, filter what gets sent by keywords, or use BotFather to change the bot's name or avatar. In settings, you can adjust how posts appear: full image, author and title, or only the URL with a native Telegram embed. And if you ever want to double-check what was sent and when, just open the History tab. Ready to automate your workflow? Get started now at RSS app.